It's back to school day in Friuli Venezia Giulia. Cell phones are officially banned in elementary and middle school. What do locals think about it?
I think that's very okay because these are young people and why should they use cell phones in school? So I think it's even bad enough that they actually own a cell phone at home in their free time.
I see that all the people now is always on the phone, and it's not the right choice for the guys.
I agree, especially for the elementary school, because in my opinion, children that age don't have to be on always on their phone. In middle school, is more comprehensible to have a cell phone, especially if you live far away from the school, so you can contact your parents or something like that.
Because sometimes it's a matter of security and safety as well for every individual, but they should be constrained for sure.
Like they could limit the usage, no social media, but prohibit the phone for 100%. I would not agree.
Cell phone influence a lot the mind of children.
Get their smartphone back when they go home. I think to me it's I'm fine with that.
On social media, I can see how it can be distracting. My mom's a guidance counselor at my old middle school, so I know she can sometimes come into those situations a lot at her school. So I think at the younger ages, I can see, yes, I agree with that, but I think at middle school, it can be a little more lenient instead of just completely taking away phones. Yeah.